Hi, my name is Haley, and today we'll be explaining how to graph linear equations and shade correctly. Alright, the problem that we have is y is greater than 2x minus 6. So since we already have y by itself, we won't need to simplify. So we know that 2 is the slope because y equals mx plus b. This is the m, x, and this is the b. So we know that the slope is 2, and that the y-intercept is negative 6. So let me just make our graph a little longer. So we know that it intercepts on negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We put a little dot right here, and since our slope is 2, we go up 2 over 1, since 2 over 1 is the same as 2. So we put a dot here, and then we keep going until our line is crossing the x-intercept and we can't go any further. So, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And since it's greater than and not greater than or equal to, it doesn't have a line, so the line that we make to go through our points is a dashed line. And we draw arrows at the end because we know that it keeps going. So since it is greater than, we have to shade the top. If it were less than, we would shade the bottom of the line. So and that's our problem.
Yeah. Okay. So hello, my name is Isaac, and I'm going to be teaching you how to simplify and graph and shade a linear equation. Our first problem is 10 plus x plus 14 less than or equal to 6x plus 9 plus x. Since there are numbers on each side, you could add them together. Like 10 plus 14 equals 24. 10 plus 14 equals 24. So with that would be 24 plus 4x. Less than or greater to, oh look, now we have another one on the other side. 6x plus x can go together. So by having those all together, now it's 24 plus 4x less than or equal to 7x plus 9. Then you want to get x by itself on one side. So now you want to subtract 7 on both sides. 7x from both sides. So as you see here, I subtracted 7 on both sides. By doing that, I got 24 minus 3x less than or equal to 9. After that, you want to subtract 24 from both sides. By doing that, I was able to get rid of 24, and then by doing that, now I'm left with minus 3x less than or equal to minus 15. Now I want to divide negative 3x from both sides. Negative 3x from negative 3 from both sides. By doing that, I cancel the 3, and by doing that, I divide negative 3 and minus 15. By doing that, I get x greater or equal to 5. And you flip the sign because it's a negative. So now you draw this graph, and now it's pointing to the right side because, as you see here, this is pointing to the right side, and you color it in because you're supposed to. Because whenever you see this thing, you're supposed to color in the circle, and that is it.